Discover Apple CarPlay with the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. The 2018 Nissan Pathfinder now embraces cutting-edge technology with Apple CarPlay integration, designed to enhance your driving experience. This innovation grants you easy access to your favorite apps, enabling hands-free calling and utilizing advanced navigation features directly through the car's infotainment system. Connecting your iPhone is remarkably straightforward. With just a few simple steps, ensure your device is linked, allowing for a seamless and connected experience while on the road. This setup facilitates a smooth transition from handheld to car-embedded technology. Regardless of whether you're utilizing factory-installed systems or aftermarket upgrades, Apple CarPlay transforms your driving experience. It keeps you continually connected, thoroughly entertained, and importantly, enhances safety by minimizing distractions. This integration represents a significant advancement in automotive technology, offering drivers both convenience and peace of mind.